Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a mystery unboxing. What could this be? But before that, I want to ask you guys, what phone is this? Can you guess? That's right guys, this is the iPhone 4S. This one was released in October of 2011, coming up to its 10th anniversary, and so I thought what better time to celebrate this iconic iPhone's release than to check out this awesome new art frame from the guys at Xreart. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Lifting the lid, here we go. Xreart, and I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't think it's Xreart, I think it's Xreart, and here you see they've already given me a coupon code, 15% off your next order. And I'm pretty sure this is something that all of you guys can take advantage of as well. But now let me show you guys the star of the show here, what they sent me to have a look at. Removing the plastic, here we go. Oh yes! And what is that? Can you tell what it is? One of their pieces of art. And what Xreart does, guys, let me explain. They do these art frames to celebrate the history of devices, and what they do is they essentially take an iPhone 4S in this case, and they've broken it down to all the individual components. You can see all the different pieces of this incredible phone when it came out, and there you see this artwork of the most amazing iPhone yet. There it is, the 4S, first released in October 14th, 2011, and guys, this phone lasted until 2016. That's right, it was discontinued a full 5 years after it was launched. And here, of course, you can see all the key components of this phone. You can see the back panel. Here you see all the different internals. There's the motherboard with the A5 chip, and the A5 was Apple's first dual-core chip in an iPhone. And to this day, guys, this phone, yes, it's slow, but it still runs. It still works. There you see with 16 gigs of storage, tiny capacity on this phone, but that was the norm back in the day. Still running though, and it still actually works. The battery is shot, but you know what? There you see the battery on this. That's right, this iPhone 4S used a 1430 milliampere battery. Tiny little battery on this unit, and there you see it. It is a really small battery by today's standards. Now, of course, the iPhone 4S brought major innovations. The most famous one of all, of course, was Siri, the first voice assistant on a phone. And at the time, yeah, I know we get the jokes now, Siri sucks, it's no good. But back then, guys, it was a revolution to be able to press a button, and there it is, the home button, and talk to your phone. And I love how they've also included it on the artwork, stay hungry, stay foolish. Easily one of the most iconic Steve Jobs quotes that there is. And all these pieces are pretty much glued on, so there's no issue to have them fall off. And this is kind of a thin plastic material. It isn't glass, and the frame is made out of this light wood material. And here you see on the back, of course, you do have this panel where the artwork sits on, and you do have ways to connect. You have mounts to put it sideways or to hang it on the side as well. Now, Xreart's artwork does vary in price, some of them costing under the $100 price point. This iPhone 4S artwork was coming in, I think, at around $139, and they go upwards of $169 for the iPhone 6 version of this. But honestly, guys, this is such a cool piece of art. It's definitely going to be something I'm going to be hanging up on my wall or keeping here in Frankie Tech Studios. And just a reminder of the incredible iPhone 4S. This iPhone was the first one back in the day. With one of my earliest jobs, I had saved up enough money to pick up an iPhone for myself. I'll never forget it. This is the one, and what better way to commemorate the 10th anniversary of this iconic iPhone 4S than this great art from Xreart of the iPhone 4S. This is an awesome gift for the Apple lover in your life, or if you're just into tech in general, whether you love Android or iOS, there's something to appreciate about these OG iPhones and seeing all the components. Check links in the description, and thanks once again to Xreart for sending this one out. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Xreart, and which phone or tech product would you want to see spread out and deconstructed like this? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for some more interesting content like this coming up. It is iPhone week as well. Stay tuned for my full coverage of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the very, very new successor to this ancient iPhone 4S here on Frankie Tech. So that's it, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Happy birthday, iPhone 4S. Happy birthday.